Our state-of-the-art facility processes thousands of eggs per hour, starting with this automated washing system. A successful hatch at exactly 21 days, confirming the perfect incubation parameters.
The feed conversion rate is optimized in this group.
Yes, feather quality is excellent. The data aligns perfectly.
Expand.
Here at the Mega Chicken Factory, efficiency is paramount. Our automated sorting lines handle thousands of eggs.
Advanced robotics work seamlessly with our skilled team, sorting and stacking thousands of eggs every hour.
The albumin reading on batch 47 seems low.
Yes, I see that. Adjust the humidity controls in section gamma and monitor for the next cycle.
The automated loading system guarantees precision and hygiene, transferring the eggs seamlessly into the incubation trays.
Candling allows us to inspect the viability of the embryo, ensuring only the strongest eggs move forward in the process.
Here at the facility, every egg is meticulously monitored in our state-of-the-art incubators.
The incubator maintains the perfect environment for optimal development, ensuring a successful hatch rate of nearly 98%.
State-of-the-art technology allows us to monitor every stage of development, right up until the moment of hatching. Our state-of-the-art incubators maintain optimal conditions, with workers ready to assist when necessary.
There you go. Such a healthy little one. You'll like it here.
Take a look at the flow rate on this section.
Yeah, I see it. I'll log the adjustment immediately.
Water flow is optimal across sector gamma.
Confirmed. The chicks are thriving. The new nipple design is a success.
Our state-of-the-art brooders ensure optimal conditions from day one, monitored constantly by our dedicated team and advanced technology.
The intake numbers for this row are still slightly below target.
I've adjusted the flow rate on the feeder mechanism.
In this state-of-the-art facility, automation ensures every chick receives precise nutrition from the moment they hatch.
Everything seems on schedule. The climate control is stable across all zones. Good. The automated systems are performing efficiently.
You are a healthy little one, aren't you? Ready for the grow out house?
I bumped it up to 75 as requested. They seem much happier now.
Good. Maintain this level for the next cycle.
Feed lines look good, consistent distribution.
Noted. The new climate control seems to be working well.
These feeders are operating at peak efficiency.
Noted. The mortality rate is stable across Sector 4.
The automated hydration system ensures a constant, clean water supply, monitored closely.
The data suggests a slight increase in temperature yesterday.
Yes, but the birds appear unstressed now. I'll log this one as healthy.
The data on the tablet shows we are exceeding the target growth metrics.
Excellent. Maintain current parameters.
advanced biometric scanning ensures optimal health and productivity. The data is instantly uploaded to the central database. Hands. The automated feeding system ensures a pursuit.
The intake rate is stable across all sectors.
Good. Let's cross-reference with the growth metrics.
From this vantage point, the sheer scale of our operation becomes clear. Advanced technology and careful Here at the facility, efficiency is paramount. Our team can sort thousands of birds an hour into transport crates for processing.
In this section, workers in protective gear meticulously sort the adult chickens, a crucial step in our highly optimized production line. The automated system activates, providing a carefully measured cascade of high-quality feed to the flock.
The count for Sector 3 is finalized now.
All right, I've logged it. The flow rate looks steady.
Did you see the schedule for next week?
Yes, looks like we're ramping up production again.
The throughput is exceeding the target by 5%.
Good. The labeling accuracy is holding steady at 99.8.
The machine is running perfectly.
Yes, the alignment is spot on.
State-of-the-art technology guarantees a sterile environment as the chickens move through the rigorous cleaning phase. Here at the Mega Chicken Factory, precision and speed ensure that over 20,000 crates are shipped daily, maintaining the cold chain from farm to fork.